Hey friends, if you wish to recover a damaged USB or SD card on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. First of all, open the File Explorer and go to this PC. So you will find the USB drive here, which will be separate. It will be mentioned USB drive or SD card. Now, instead of formatting, right click on it and select Show Options and then go to Properties. Go to Tools and there is an option for error checking. You can scan and repair this drive. Okay, you don't need to run a check disk scan, but you can. But this is how you will be able to check it for errors, and maybe, just maybe, you will be able to recover it. The other option is to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f, hit enter and press Y again and hit enter once again. Now this won't only check the USB drive, that will rather check the entire system, which I recommend checking from time to time. So you can run this command and check for errors if it is able to solve it. Other than this, there is nothing that you can do at a software level, then it has to be done at a hardware level only. Or maybe there are a few third party tools, but they will do almost the same job as a check disk scan does. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.